Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Alrighty, I got my electric fan hooked up, got my battery in there. I'm about to charge the battery up. I'm gonna put all these wires in the room, all the naked wires, one step at a time. Let me go on and get this battery charged up. Okay, I got my battery charging. All right, next I got that cover. It's sitting right there. That covers that hole. So I'm gonna put that to cover that. So you got the kick panel that covers that up, but that covers that hole right there. So I'm gonna take care of that too. You got the original OE equipment, and this is for the floor foot pedal for the gas. These are the two, as you can see, right in there. So you got the little head right there on the end. That's what goes in the plastic to hold it. So these goes down in the floor like that. You gotta measure it. One on each side for the accelerator pedal. That's right there. A little dark in here. Do that too. Okay, now I'm about to do the battery hold down. That's that piece right there. Do the battery hold down, that stabilize your battery. And this where the relay go for the fans. Checking the headlights. See there on both sides we got lights. I gotta hook up the high beam and the low beam for the headlights in the front. There it is, high beam, low beam switch. Better go on and install it. There's your headlights. You put your high beam, low beam switch, and then you have your headlights going on. It ain't gonna work without that switch. There's the old switch in the corner. I'm about to remove that and install the new switch. That's the new one I hooked up. There it is. I got the new high beam, low beam switch installed. There's the old one. Got the tilt steering wheel. There it is. Look at that. Tilt. Alrighty, we got those low beams on now. Check it out. And we still got them charging up nice and slow. Now I'm about to hook up the accelerator, but I can see that when you accelerate, the end of this will touch the firewall. So I'm going to cut that right there. That way when we mash on that gas, we could get full throttle on this Holley carburetor. Almost. Let the air build up a little bit and I have it off. At the tip off. Now when you accelerate, you could go all the way back. See? Look at that there. That's enough. That's factory, so I'm gonna pull the rod out about right there. I'm gonna take the rod out. Let's see what we got. Okay. Yeah. Had to do it. We can get a little more out of it. I'm gonna adjust it a little more. Get extra out of it. Get it all. Get it all. Okay, I got my the rod lined up. I got a kit that goes here. It made designed for that, like the one in the back right there. I got one for the front. But I got the rod at the right length. We all good.